We are going to see about the topic of continue statement in Python. So continue statement is not terminate anything, but it is continue with the next statement, next iterator. So it is used to skip the rest of the code inside the loop for current iteration only. So we see the example for it. Here I give the for loop. So for loop we know that. So it is a iterator. So in means we check with a particular sequence may be list or tuple or string. So here I give the string. So Tamil is a beautiful language. Now close this. So here again the correct indentation. So now give the another if. So if you give a particular condition for it, here I give the val iterator and the variable name. So here give the double equal means both are equal means whenever the input have a small I means it will skip the particular. So continue is a keyword. The above particular sequence we know that what are the places I present in a particular sequence. Here I present, another this place are I present. So it will skip the particular I and after return the all those things. So it will skip the particular I and after return the all this sequences in our output. We get we see with what will happen in our output. Here get the VL variable. So here give the print for our acknowledgement. So here give the end. So now I have completed this code. I have pressed the F8 in our particular keyboard. So we see here we get output response. So here we give a particular condition for it. So whenever VA is double equal, both are whenever the VAL variable is present in a Y, automatically skip. Skip means it will only skip with another one. So TAM Tamil have a I character, but here the I character is skip with another one. Here is we know that I skip with another one, so it is skip a particular character. So under we know the beautiful. So beautiful have a I. So here also skip the I. So it will whenever you give the particular condition means skip the particular character and or particular what we specify the particular sequence means automatically skip the sequence and after return all those things from the sequence. So this is the example for continued statement in Python. Thanks for watching this video.